Okay, this is the replacement valve. And this is the surgery person who's going to have a surgery. Who needs a valve replacement and a brain replacement. This is the skin that I'm cutting off. These are the ribs.
I don't know.
You don't know what?
What are you trying to do?
What is that?
This works funny.
Just
Okay.
cut off these.
What does it say over to the right?
Inside to mix the paste.
Okay,
What
what's...
is that?
Yeah. What is that? What's inside a spray
Here's
can
some more
that mixes the paint?
protecting skin stuff. Just
We've
cut
taken
in
them out
here.
before and we cleaned them up.
Oh, marble.
This is the liver, this is the stomach, and this is the heart. Right here. Just cut one of the valves off. One of the valves. And put it in. And then you close up. Oh yeah. Forgot we have to take out his poison that's in his stomach.
Nice.
Okay. Then you close this back up.
What about his ribs?
I know.
Oh.
Put the ribs back on. And close his real skin back up. Well, that was his arm. We have to make more skin. Wait. Okay.